Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. So something really creepy happened to me, my husband, and a friend recently, and I want to share the entire experience with you while also posting like the 30 minutes of footage that I got. It's a lot, so get cozy because you're going to be here for a really long time. So before I get into what happened with us, I feel like I should tell you the history of the area that we're in because that's going to play a significant role in what happened to us. So let's talk all about Roaring Fork Nature Trail. Sorry, my accent makes roaring very hard to say for some reason, in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Now, this is a scenic 5.5 mile trail tucked away in the mountains. It is beautiful. Outside of everything else, there are waterfalls, there are trails you can hike, there are cabins, there is so much you can do. It is a beautiful, beautiful area, but it is also one of the most terrifying places that I have ever been in my life. Said to be one of the most haunted places in the Smoky Mountains, and it is because of the story of a girl named Lucy. Now, Lucy is a young woman who is said to have passed away tragically in a house fire in the early 1900s. Well, some years later, a young man is riding through the trails and he stops to get a barefoot woman wandering around the woods to take her home because she's seemingly lost and confused. They chat the whole way. She's on his horseback, they're going back to her cabin. And after he drops her off, he cannot stop thinking about her. He wants Lucy. So he returns to the woods to this cabin, and when he knocks and the door opens, he is not met with Lucy, but with Lucy's parents. And they share the news of Lucy's tragic passing. But the issue with that is she passed years ago, and there is no way that this man picked her up. But he begins explaining and describing who he picked up, and it's Lucy. And the parents are kind of flabbergasted because how? And they're birthed the first story of a Lucy sighting, and there have been several more. Several people say that they have seen a young woman wandering around, asking for a ride and talking to them, and she seemingly disappears at a cabin. Now, that is the only thing I knew going into this, so I shared it with my husband and friend, and we set off on this 5.5 mile drive. We were not alone. This is a popular trail. There were cars. It was fine. There were people walking around. We were not alone, and I cannot imagine doing this alone. Yes, I can, actually, because there were some points where everyone seemingly vanished. But we will get into that because there is a lot that went on in here that I need to tell you about. But let's start at the beginning. So the first half of this road was fine. The energy was not bad at all. I do fully believe that I encountered Lucy because I understand we were in the woods and there's going to be a temperature drop. So when we got into the woods, it changed from 95, which is what it was registering in Gatlinburg, to 73 or 72. I can't remember. And that makes sense. We're in the woods. It's shaded. I get it. But I had my arm out most of the time recording. And just suddenly, after I had called out to Lucy, to communicate with us, the temperature on my hand got frigid. And it got so bad that my hand was cramping up from the cold. It was freezing. And I let everyone in the car feel my hand, and no one else's hands were doing that, and they had their arms outside as well. So I think Lucy was holding my hand. I truly do. And some of the things that were coming through on the spirit box tells me that she was holding my hand. I don't know. And then the things on the spirit box kind of warned of something coming up ahead. The tone kind of shift. My hand got warm again. It got hot outside. We had to end up turning the AC up again because the temperature changed yet again. And we go up this hill and we notice that there is a traffic jam. I still do not know what these people were doing. Maybe there was a bear they were taking pictures of, but I know by the time we got up there, there was nothing but a hill. There wasn't even a waterfall that these people were stopped. But we were stopped and waiting in traffic for 10 minutes, and I started to have a panic attack because it is a one-lane road. You cannot turn around. You have to drive all the way through it, and I started feeling trapped, and I started panicking. And the spirit box was saying things like it was funny and things like that. So I was like, okay, the tone is shifting. It's not the best. So we get a message on the spirit box thing saying, come ahead or something like that. And I jokingly said, well, if you get these cars out of the way, we will. And within 60 seconds, every car had moved. Now, anytime we had a creepy experience after this, when it happened, there would be no cars around us. And there was a traffic jam. There were cars everywhere. There was people everywhere. But anytime we had something happen, it just seemed like everyone vanished and we went into a different realm or something, I swear. And I do think there were a lot of fae in the area, at the beginning, you kind of drove through this like archway of branches and it just screamed Fae trap. So I kind of wonder if the whole thing was a Fae trap, because on top of that, there was a lot of like strange looking mushrooms and there was stacked rocks, which can all mean Fae. So I was like, maybe. And it did seem like something was in the woods tricking us and like moving time, because I recorded, it doesn't make sense. I'm gonna put the footage at the end, but I was recording from start to finish. And I got, I think it was 48 minutes total. We got there at like 7 and we're out of there at 9. So how does that compute? If I recorded from start to finish, how did I only get that much? It's like something warped, and I don't know what happened in that footage that I lost. I did trim it down, the traffic jam and things like that. I took off a big chunk of time. I think there's like 30 minutes of footage that you guys are gonna see. But it doesn't make sense how that time did that. I don't understand. So anyways, we're having these weird experiences and things don't get really bad until we pull up to this one specific cabin. And like I said, you guys are going to see all this footage, but I just want to tell you the story so you know what you're watching. I know this cabin was colorful. I can't remember what colors it had on it, but we were just sitting there kind of looking at it. And right before we had pulled up to this cabin, on the spirit box, it had said the little boy likes you. And I disregarded it. I was like, okay, there must be a little boy in here. I'm glad you like me. We pulled up to the cabin and I see the outline of this small thing. It's like shorter, on the shorter side. And I remember putting it together like, oh, that must be the little boy. And I was getting a really bad feeling. And then I watched as this little figure stretched to where its head was now touching the ceiling. And everyone else in the car saw it too. My husband and my friend, who don't really see things like that, watched it happen. And then we left. We pulled out of the cabin. I was like, we don't need to be here. Something's wrong. So we pull out of the slot for the cabin and we drive away. And the whole time we're driving down the road, our friend's like, I can't look behind us. Something's back there. I feel something behind our car. And I said, I can't look either, but I'm gonna slide my phone out the window and try to point it to see if I catch anything. And I thought that I had pointed the phone, so, you know, it's supposed to go like this out the window. I was kind of worried I curved it and it was just filming the back seat, which I was. So I was like, I'm gonna look out here and make sure I'm recording it. And as I was looking at my phone, out of my peripheral vision, I see this blob of smoke. It looks like just this ball of energy that is made of smoke. And I get back in the car and I keep recording, and I caught that on camera in the exact spot that I had seen it. It looks strange. My husband said it looks like it has horns. I don't know. All I know is it's a blob of smoke and I saw it. And upon reviewing the footage, my friend and I caught this thing following us through the trees the entire rest of the time. It stayed with us the whole time. And I'm personally kind of scared that it followed us back here because I have had weird experiences. I felt, you know, like heavy energy, and it's just not been great. So I'm going to do a cleanse and up my protections for the next time I do anything like this, because I don't know what that was, but I don't want any part of it. You know what I mean? I've been thinking a lot about the little boy, and there is a chance that this thing was shape-shifting, but I kind of fear that it just has like the spirit of a little boy, and it's just kind of like keeping him to lure people, because it felt separate than that thing, if that makes sense. Little boy didn't feel the same, which, I mean, if it's a trickster and it can shapeshift, maybe the energy can change too. It just felt separate. If you want to have paranormal experiences, I recommend you do this road, but I don't think I'll ever do it again because it was terrifying. But that was a rundown of everything we experienced, and now here's the footage. I just wanted you guys to know what you were looking at when you looked. If you happen to see anything that I didn't point out, please let me know, timestamp it, and I'll go look at it. But yeah, that is all. Enjoy the footage. Put up your protections before you watch it, because I don't know what this thing is. All right, bye.
Well, okie dokie.
Maybe. How do you turn on the sound?
This road specifically?
Yeah, we're half a mile out.
Oh, okay. Oh, so we're close enough that it's like...
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
I don't know how to...
What does it say?
I think I did it. I was trying to turn on the volume. Oh.
They mean you harm.
They mean you harm.
I don't like that.
God, it's pretty, isn't it?
God, there's a lot of people.
to you.
Okay.
Okie dokie, my bad.
Good to know.
Well, this is unhinged, isn't it? I thought that said the nut buck gate. It said do not buck gate.
Jesus, you going all park here and walk?
No, you drop it.
Oh,
Yeah, that was like
there's no walking
thing. Right?
part of it.
No, you drove. I guess you park to like walk out.
Potential.
Potential walking.
Oh, I don't like that. That sounds.
Whoa, that truck is close. Bro,
But I don't know what your hurry is.
it
but
ain't
I
that
really do not
serious.
care.
We can't go anyways.
Yeah, look, we're gonna get behind these.
No, we didn't go here the last time, so like I don't know where we were.
I'm not gonna sit here with stupid ass behind me all day.
Real.
Congratulations, you got there so much faster.
He's gonna ride there. That's probably him.
I don't think it's on.
It is.
No, it
Because
is.
that
The thingy's moving you.
Oh, okay, my bad.
The up and down thing.
it's pretty out here.
It's very pretty.
Where were we the last time? Like what road did we take?
Oh, we were like way off, man. We were at like we were not too far from the strip. Fall,
Fall.
Like the falls?
perchance.
Maybe.
Or just like the fall? Ooh, that trees are very pretty. That shit down again?
House fire.
Oh, okay, so maybe not.
Not that.
Alright, should we go forward or right?
Tier.
Tier.
You go forward, right?
I don't know, this doesn't say on the maps.
It just says
Oh wait, it was that way.
It was
Right.
that way? Okay.
Yeah, because there's the.
Everyone, hold on, I gotta think about this.
Concern.
What did it say?
something torn.
Roaring Fork, but it was like an auto tour booklet.
Oh.
But they're all out of them.
Oh dang.
This is pretty.
Like perfect sort of frolic,
They do.
you know?
4 lights.
Like car lights.
There's a car behind us that has 4 lights on it.
Oh my god.
Wait, I'm trying to like get
Yeah,
on.
I'm trying.
No, you're good. It'll catch up. Yep. It's 4 lights. That's crazy. I wonder if that's what they meant.
Yeah, it's taking the trails.
Just trying to see how long this road is.
I mean, it's got a ways.
Yikes. Oh my gosh.
It looks like it's probably no more than 5 miles.
Do we still have signal or is that long gone?
No signal is dispersed.
Oh well.
Like I can't even en route on the map.
Oh, there it goes.
Sir, I am not trying to go on the route. Stop it. just now realized we're going up.
Yeah. That's my ear popped.
This is a nice little thing to do when it's like hot.
Yeah.
Because then you don't have to.
This is funny.
What's funny? Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm not sure where we're going right now.
Maybe it makes a big circle.
Maybe because it said do not.
Because this is like a one lane, right? Like one way, I guess.
Don't tell people.
Yeah, this is a 1 lane, so.
Yeah. So it probably just makes a circle. Because otherwise, it's like, where would you end up at?
I've never had this thing lag so hard before.
There's signal because I'm getting notifications.
Hang on, I got 2 bars.
Got it. Drop right there.
Will you like put in a random place in Gatlinburg to see how it gets us out of here?
Were we trying to find the cabin?
No. We just ride and.
I can't spell it apparently.
I feel like we've already passed the spot where she's been seen at.
Could have.
Probably. Oh, besties, I don't know if it's gonna load.
Is this a one-way?
Yes.
entry? Oh god.
Well,
Well, I mean, we may not be able to turn around.
I mean, it has to end up somewhere, doesn't it?
Yeah, like it's gonna come out eventually. But...
Vision.
Let me see. Let me prop up.
Okay, let's see here. We're going this way. It comes out. Oof, this is a long thing. It comes out at Trillium Gap.
I have no idea where that is.
So,
Which, I'm pretty sure this is a one-way, so I think we're in this for the long haul.
Which is fine.
let me see here. Okay. We continue on this until.
What does the sun say?
Oh yeah, it's just a
Do not
circle.
enter.
It's just a circle.
Yep.
Takes you around to. Yeah.
Does it
so
say
this
how
one
long it is?
It says 5.2 miles till Roaring Fork exit.
Okay.
So only 5 more.
Well, at least it's pretty scenery.
Yeah. So it's not too far.
Where was it exactly that it said she was at?
It didn't.
Oh, it
She's
just
just
said
spotted on
she's-
the road. There's a cabin that you can go to, but I haven't really seen any cabins, so it could be deeper, it could be not.
Did it say where the cabins were?
Dang, that's cool to just prop the phone up right there and not worry
Yeah.
about it.
Yeah, that works really well.
I noticed that everyone in front of us and behind us is dispersed.
Oh.
I don't like that. Very possible they stopped at that outlet too, though.
It's fair.
Because there was a really pretty one back there.
Rich, will you bring your camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if you want to stop and take pictures, just tell me.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm just kind of vibing right now.
Every single horror story I've heard of, like, people getting lost in the woods is now just in my brain.
Oh no.
Like the Watchers. That's just all I'm thinking of.
You didn't have to say
Okay, there's
that.
cars. I'm good. It was because the cars disappeared.
Well,
You, you didn't have to put that in my mind.
There was other people in the Watchers too.
Oh, there was other people in the Watchers. Stuart.
Stuart.
Do we know a Stuart?
Kristen?
It's wild.
Why are we stuck?
Probably someone backing out of an Outlook.
Come on, besties.
Yeah, I guarantee it was someone backing out of an Outlook because we're about to pass one.
That is gorgeous, actually. I do want to stop it.
Yeah, sure, I got you.
Because, like, look, through the trees.
We're still standing outside, so.
Women.
Okie dokie.
Like Lucy?
Could be.
Follow us ahead.
Well, we would if we could.
Could you please move the car so that I can?
The entire Outlook is clear now. I don't know what's going on.
Might be just be letting people out still.
Wait.
I
can't tell if that sounds like a waterfall or not.
Yeah, I can't tell you either.
They were taking pictures right on the other side of the sun, though.
You wanna pull off?
Might be difficult to get back in.
This is where they were taking pictures of.
You wanna pull off? This
There's
way.
nothing there. I'm not opposed.
Nah, I think it might be too late now.
I'm sorry, honey.
You're fine, honey. I should have just done it.
Okay, what was up there that they were taking pictures of?
It's probably an animal. It's probably gone now, you know. That's what I think.
Brother.
This is pretty.
That's the first speedlimit sign I think I've seen.
I'm sure there was probably more. We just didn't notice. But yeah, this is the first one I've seen in a while.
Imagine someone just flooring it.
I finally see the speedlimit sign. Oh, actually, it's 10 miles an hour. Oh my god, it's fine.
Whoop.
Oh, yeah.
Mine.
Oh. I thought you were gonna hit that car. I was like, it'd be awful for it to say that and then we crash.
How long did it like a restaurant on that tree down there?
Oh, I didn't see it.
Fay trap? Question mark?
Potential.
It looks so cool, so it probably was.
Yeah, had to
Knotted
be.
lines in that tree right there.
It's so pretty.
Oh, that's a perfect circle. Yeah. I'll be honest though, words cannot express how scared I was watching her stuck up here. I said,
I said, oh my god. None of us have servants. No one has done this.
my brain was flashing to the scariest movies I'd ever seen. I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no.
No, because you
What's that?
There's a little water.
Oh.
went in the water.
You said I'm
Not having fun anymore. I was at. I got an idea. Let's leave.
The forest is home.
Oh. Alright.
It's not a cabin. It's a little like stop.
So maybe the cabin's not even.
It's probably far back or something.
Yeah, I guarantee it's supposed to.
Yeah. Or maybe it's gone. 'Cause it did say the
Yeah,
forest is
that's
home,
just
so
the
maybe
bath-
it's just taking residence in the
Could be.
forest.
Does anyone need to use the bathroom?
Look at the stairs. That's so pretty.
This tree.
That's whoa.
I'm by your side.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Your home is pretty. Thank you for letting us drive through and not letting us get stuck. hear Lucy and want to come say hello, please feel free to. It's because we're not stopping anywhere, probably. Oh, it got cold outside. It dropped bad.
It says it's 74. It feels way colder.
It feels like it's in the low 60s. That's wild. I did tell Lucy to come say hello.
Maybe that's what she did.
Yeah, it's dropping like rapidly.
She definitely was like, okay.
Put your hand out the window. Like it's dropping.
Okay.
I think she came to say hello.
She definitely did. She said, come hello? All right.
The tree's too tiny.
Oh, that's pretty.
So cool.
Skeleton.
Could be.
Billy.
Billy.
That's Billy. He keeps our car safe. It's getting
I have no regrets.
good. The way the temperature has dropped is crazy.
They got her.
Dude, I can't feel my hand. Like I stuck it out to see if I could catch anything, and it is so cold. I think my hand kind of froze up. Just now, right now. Feel my hand.
God almighty, it's like
Feel it.
ice cold. My hand's warm. Like you can feel my.
No, mine's
Mine's
rigid.
Harriet.
Harriet.
Kentucky.
Another bridge. Everyone collectively said one car at a time. I am not about it.
For real. It's back over the bridge, one right behind me, and it goes down its fists.
I'm just cold. Is that a cave? It is. There's a cave. Oh, I got it. I bet Rachel's taking a picture.
I worked here.
Oh.
Maybe a logger?
Yeah, it could have been. Maybe someone exploring caves or something? Could have been someone who took the road. How do you even have signal to get a call right now? It's been 4 times, brother.
There's a car coming. Oh, we gotta go.
Get up 20 seconds, Rachel.
Oh, Dave, don't fly.
I didn't even notice the brakes. I didn't even hit the canvas.
Oh.
Yeah, my best, right? I heard that too.
I wonder if Lucy stayed with us or if she stayed back. I think she did. I think she held my hand.
That guy just medicine passing.
Because my hand was like ice.
Yeah, it was freezing.
Blue
Yeah.
eyes.
I don't think anyone in the car has blue eyes.
Did it also get really bright, like out
Yes.
of nowhere?
Yeah, very bright. It was really dark back there. None of us have blue eyes.
Yeah, I got this one.
Would have been. It's hot outside now.
Yeah, it warmed up.
That's crazy. Like I kind of need the AC.
Maybe she's not.
No, come back. I'm so sad.
It lit up and now it's hot.
She had good energy. I didn't feel anything bad. I felt sad.
That might be that, like, just that little section she's from.
Yeah, but she stays back there.
Like, how
Which is valid. It was very pretty back there.
it was, yeah.
Qualms.
Myself.
It's still warm. Oh yeah, I got the AC on. And then I was like, oh my god, it's cold. It's hot.
I turned on the AC. I was starting to sweat. That's what's crazy. I turned off the AC because I couldn't feel my hand. And then I had to turn it back on because it got too hot. What's the temperature, Grace?
74 still.
So it hasn't changed
The
on there.
temperature outside, as far as being read by the temperature, the thermostat is not changed. It's felt different.
Is that a cabin?
It might be a visitor center.
Have memories.
Oh, wait, hang on.
Oh, you know what? If I can get there, we'll take a look and see.
It might be like big.
I bet it is.
Let's take a look and see.
Oh, hang on. There's like, no, that might be it.
Agitated.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I bet that's it.
I bet it is.
There's gotta be a way to get there.
That might be what she said agitated.
I don't think we're supposed to go over there.
Probably not.
I might run up and grab some pictures real quick.
Babe, I don't think we're supposed to.
Yeah.
Do that. If it
Yeah,
said
they're-
agitated.
You know, they're supposed to go up there and get pictures?
Mm-mm.
No, yeah. That was pretty much a clear message.
Like, you can go if you want to. I don't feel comfortable going.
Best not then. Which I think is I was gonna see if you had think long ones.
Something smells hot.
Yeah, I think it's because we've been riding the brakes. It might not be ours though.
It could just be somebody else.
And we have been riding the brakes the entire way up here, up and down.
Yeah, it's a bit of a. There ain't nobody.
Did you get some footage of the?
Yeah, I mean, I just put my phone down. That's definitely our brakes.
So
I've been watching you.
That's probably her.
yeah.
Aye, aye, Captain.
That message popped up and Eric said, I'm gonna speed up a little. I said, you know what?
I didn't go to the county.
I told you March was to go. That probably wasn't it. There's probably something weird over there. She was like,
That might be a bathroom.
oh God, the brakes are off. Do you think the brakes are okay?
That's the cabin, but it looks like it's got a newer roof.
It does. It's probably like redid or something.
Whoa.
Oh, maybe this is it.
What, this one? Bad vibes?
There's a sign there.
I don't feel comfortable stopping at any of them, to be quite honest.
That's fair.
We can stop if you want to. We can go right there.
I know if you have bad energy towards it.
I'm just scared to stop anywhere.
Sorry.
No, you're good. I was just...
Didn't even put my big fat head in the way.
Dude, this is gonna be some editing. I have 30 minutes of footage so far.
Oh, bridge.
Oh, dang. That car didn't wait. They
Look,
were...
stacked rocks.
Where?
Where?
We're on top of that tree.
Will you get a...
On the top of the tree.
No, here.
The tree.
Oh,
Oh, there's more.
Oh, shit.
can you back up?
Maybe hold on one sec. Yep.
Thanks. Please be so
The
careful.
little boy likes you.
Rachel, look to your far left.
Hello.
Right there, that piece of picture has wood up there. There's a bunch of little small rocks. Oh my god, there's a whole set right here.
Yeah, there's like a bunch right here. That's what I was looking
This little stacked ones.
for. Those.
Look to the more left of that one.
No, I think it's like that. But that's the ones I saw.
Yeah, no, there's some across that fallen tree right there.
Approach.
Probably not.
I think that was a trick.
That one felt like a trick.
That was a fade trick, is what that was.
They're pretty though.
I don't know. I just smelled a fade trap. Especially with those stacked rocks in the approach. There's a ton of rocks. So look how nice.
I need to make peace.
If you have any messages you need us to get out, let us know.
Positive.
If there's anything you want to say, just let me know. I'll do what I can with the information. What's that? Yeah. I'm gonna put my arm in the car.
This one's blonde at the road, brother. Whoa.
Oh,
Ooh. Well, that's like one of those
Like
the water mine
where
thingies.
you pan out water.
Yeah. That's what it is. I couldn't remember what it was called. Oh, I don't.
I get a bad vibe. I'm gonna be so honest. Whoa, it's open.
It got really cold.
What AC is on.
It's not cold. It's not cold outside.
There's a
I
house
was
over-
gonna
there's a
say
house over
because I
there.
just got
Whoa.
really cold. Oh, that one's ooh. Alfred Reagan Place.
You're helping me.
What? Just trying to read the sign.
Was that you?
No, it's not my bad.
Oh, you're good. You just scared me a little bit. I don't get bad vibes from that one.
No, that one's kind of cute, honestly.
Yeah.
I like the door.
Elijah.
Okay, the sign says apparently.
I see something standing in there.
Oh, lovely.
Do you see it?
Where?
Left side. Left,
Left open door.
yes.
Can't see
No,
the
the tree's blocking.
There's something standing in the dark. I see the whole outline. It's a little boy.
They moved to a different
There's a
parking
little
space.
boy. Do you see him? He's right there. Do you see him?
I think so.
The whole outline of him.
Ah,
Do you see him?
Comedy.
No, okay. You didn't need to say that.
No, I see something much taller.
I see a little boy.
It's something. There's
Oh, there went an orb.
Oh.
It's something pretending to be a little boy.
Yeah, what I'm seeing is a
Yep.
really tall and lanky.
Yes, over here.
Yeah, maybe go away now.
You're not welcome to follow us. Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Please stay in the house.
Bye, Slenderman.
Oh God. I feel so uneasy now.
Did you see it, Rachel?
Mm-hmm.
No, what I saw was tall and thin.
I watched it morph.
I definitely saw something small at first, and then
Yeah,
when
I
it
watched
glanced again,
it.
I was like, ooh,
I watched it like morph.
Stand up.
that was actually terrifying.
It didn't stand up. It
No, it just
it
yeah.
stretched.
Yeah, I stretched up.
Yeah. God, I hope I got that on camera. That's so scary.
Me no like. Me no like at all. That building gave bad vibes. The one on the other side, the
Can-
like little.
Little hut.
Can we
Yeah.
talk about the fact that one of the messages on here was the little boy likes you? Right before that happened?
Oh God.
And yes, over here.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
No, thank you.
The little boy likes you. Approach. I need to make peace. Positive. You're helping me, Elijah. Yes, over
I bet
here.
it was something pretending. at
It
that
was
point.
something messing with me.
Yeah, because you
Where
were
is
asking directly.
Lucy?
You were asking directly to Lucy at that point.
Private.
Ooh, I got a weird tingle in the back of my head. I don't want to turn around.
Don't.
I ain't gonna.
If something told you not to look behind you, don't.
Yeah, I'm not.
You know what I am gonna do?
All I have to do is sing the secret tunnel song and we'll be okay.
How much longer is this?
It was like 5 miles, I think, when I looked a while ago, so. Let me see if I can find
I suddenly just don't want to be in here.
I actually have no more surface. Just kidding, guys. It's not pretty anymore.
Affair.
Isolated.
Don't win. We're just gonna.
Okay, we're not too far out.
We're not.
Basement holds darkness.
Yeah, I bet it does, boo.
Hence why I rolled up my windows.
So where are we?
Well, you have service now, right? Should you be able to pull up
Yeah,
a little
kind
bit
of.
at least?
Oh,
Oh look, there was little markers for the houses that we just passed.
Oh, was it?
Big.
Oh. Mm-mm.
like the.
Eric, if you don't roll your window up, I swear. It's making me anxious.
Whew.
Yeah, see?
Every hair on my body's standing up.
I still have that weird tingly feeling. Okay, we're almost back to the Treetops Resort, which
We
is
don't
like
need to be in here anymore.
right down the road.
No, we
So-
need to get the hell out.
Yeah, but we have them in front of us going as slow as possible.
It makes me feel better that
Well,
they're
yeah,
there.
I don't want to speed through here, otherwise that's how you die.
Yeah, you can't speed.
But yeah, we'll be out just a little bit because I just have looked this up.
Okay.
I think we'll be okay.
I don't feel great.
You okay?
We're gonna have to do a big old cleanse.
Yes, we will.
Oh, that's pretty.
The first half of this was
That
nice.
like notch. You see what I mean? Look at that. That's so pretty. Oh, it's a cave.
Ooh.
Wait. Let
Oh
me
yeah, yeah.
Will
See,
you roll down the window just for a sec? Thanks.
you maybe go back to that parking spot back there.
No.
I get better views.
Bad things happen.
Go.
Never mind. Goodbye. I'll do this.
What is wrong with this road?
It's just this section of it.
I came here to meet Lucy, and I see why Lucy doesn't come down here.
The first half was fine. This half is not
Ooh.
fine. I'm sorry.
I was hung.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that happened to you.
Another cave.
Oh, okay. Do we have to point out if there's
Ooh. That one's not really a.
Well,
No.
no,
It's
it's
like
not.
an overhang.
Yeah, it's an overhang.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh, that's
I drove.
pretty.
We'd have been out of here so fast.
That is so pretty.
Not even kidding.
Look at the
Ooh, Oh my
rocks.
god. Here.
That's so pretty. I got it. It's so pretty.
Oh wow, look at that.
I don't like it.
It's so pretty right there. Whoa.
Whoa.
There's a curse.
Oh. Is there? Okay.
Au revoir.
Alrighty.
Goodbye.
You know what? I believe you.
Thank you for telling me that. I'm going to go now.
Whew. Okay. Alrighty. You okay, babe?
Sayonara.
Babe, watch how fast you go.
Yeah, there was a jeep that was kind of going slow up here, but they go. Yeah,
God, this road got narrow.
Yeah. Be careful.
I don't think it's gonna let you do that. Oh boy, do I do
Whoa.
Gone.
I'm working on it.
Describe how I feel.
Anxious.
Do you feel like he's been born?
I was shot.
All right, Rachel, we gotta go.
Yeah. There's a car.
What was that? What was that?
Didn't sound good.
It sounded like somebody passed us.
We gotta go.
I'm not having fun anymore.
Something just whispered my name in my ear.
No, it didn't. It definitely didn't.
Don't say that.
Don't say that out loud.
Genuinely don't know how people ride in this thing like just unprotected because I don't like that. That's that thing.
Yeah, it's that thing in front of us.
Ew, I hate it.
Very valid.
You okay? What was that? What's wrong? What is
My
it?
ears feel full.
Nasty.
That was a direct call out.
Yeah, it's not fun in my brain, is it? Now you know what it's like.
Oh god. Yeah, I think I need something to pop. Try to yawn. There we go.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bees.
Oh god. Oh,
It's an entire farm.
this is like a friggin' village.
It's a mill. Oh, it's an actual like store.
Oh!
They have a website.
That's actually kind of cute.
Does anyone use the bathroom?
Oh, you couldn't pay me to get out of this car.
I'm still shocked you have the windows down. To be completely fair.
Smoke.
The fire.
Smokey Bear help.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh my god, the fire, right?
Oh, that's right.
I told you there's cabins you can rent because I thought it was the same one. These are all other.
This looks like someone's homes.
Yeah, some of these do.
Yeah.
They're kind of like run down enough to look like somebody's homes. That one's definitely somebody's house. Hey, look. It's civilization.
Oh, thank